Hey guys, what's up? I got this bamboo tumbler in the mail today from Amazon and thought I'd just take a first look at it with you guys. Um, Definitely a cute little box this comes in and well wrapped here. I'm super excited specifically to be able to do like fruit infusions. I love lime in my water, but also maybe some cucumber, other things. It's fun to try out different stuff, right? But yeah, wow, this is really nice. I got that. I mean, it's like wet bamboo, right? I think. And then this is like etched into the wood. I like that there's some texture on that. It's really pretty with the little bamboo shoots. That's really cute. Bottom of the bottle seems to be plastic on the just the part that it sits on, and that has a few, I think it's saying like don't put in the microwave. I actually don't know what that's communicating, but nice lid. And then it seems to be like the lid with bamboo on top and wrapped in stainless steel. Ooh, that's so pretty. It's just perfectly clean. Let's see if we can pull this out. There is the basket where you can put different tea leaves and such. So this is nice. I don't think I even realized this, that it's got the, like this area here, but also the area here, and there's like a filter on top and on the bottom. So, I mean, I guess that makes sense if you're drinking out of it. You don't want to catch anything on top. But then you can also put fruit in beneath it, which is how I'm going to use it. But that is really pretty. This feels really like well made. Yeah, I like that a lot. And then it looks like we have like instruction manual, probably for care and stuff on the inside. So yeah, this looks really nice. I'm excited to use it. It's really pretty, and I love just the wood look. I love neutrals and things that just speak a little bit more to nature. So yeah, anyway, I hope this was helpful for you, and I hope you have a great day.